In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages and a menu to your Wix website. We'll be working directly inside the Wix editor, and the process is very simple once you know where to look. If you're building out your site and want to make it easier for visitors to move between different sections, adding new pages and a navigation menu is one of the most important things you can do. To get started, open your website in the Wix editor so you're on the main site editing screen. From here, the first thing we're going to do is add a new page. Look to the top left area of the editor and click Add. This opens the panel where Wix gives you different content options you can insert into your site. Inside that panel, select Pages. This is where you can create additional pages for your website, such as an About page, Services page, Contact page, or anything else your site needs. Wix may show you a selection of page templates here, which can be helpful if you want a pre-designed layout to save time. If you prefer to build the page yourself from scratch, simply choose Blank Page instead. That gives you a clean starting point so you can fully customize the design however you like. Once your new page has been added, you can return to the editor and continue building your site structure. The next step is adding a menu so visitors can actually navigate between your pages easily. Again, go to the top left and click Add. This time choose Elements. In the Elements section, use the search feature and type in Menu. Wix will then show you a range of ready-made menu designs you can use. These are helpful because you don't need to build the navigation manually. Just browse through the available options and select the one that best fits the style of your website. After placing the menu onto your page, you can edit it by clicking directly on it. This lets you customize how it looks so it matches the rest of your site design. Take a moment to adjust the style and placement so it feels clear, clean, and easy for visitors to use. That's all it takes to add pages and a menu in Wix. Once both are in place, your website will feel much more organized and professional, and it will be easier for people to find the information they need.